Are you looking for service apartments as a preferred holiday home in Goa for your company? As India is on the upward trend of globalization, there has been a sharp surge in business travel over the last few years, with India becoming more integrated with the global economy. Executives from India and abroad frequently travel to business hubs and spend weeks and months working from different locations. Staying at hotels for such long periods is costly. Serviced apartments offer an alternative. For house owners, they serve as an alternative to giving their premises on rent for short to long term. What are serviced apartments? A serviced apartment is a furnished accommodation with a small kitchen and rooms, generally more spacious than in a hotel. Some also offer conference rooms, besides housekeeping staff and a concierge service. The concept of serviced apartments arrived in India in 2003-04. Like any property investment, location is important in this case too. The main client base for this serviced apartment is the corporate sector. Starting from Mumbai, Bangalore, and Delhi, serviced apartments have extended their presence to smaller cities, like Goa, driven by commercial activities and arrival of tourists. Globalization is resulting in an increasing number of expatriates coming to India for work. The demand is primarily driven by executives of multinational companies, MNCs, and expatriates who come to India on deputation for periods ranging from weeks to months. As the duration of their stay is assignment-based, it makes sense to take a serviced apartment on rent rather than staying in a hotel. Who come to Goa from other parts of India as well as other countries within Europe, USA and the Middle East. As of now, this sector does not have professional companies to run and manage serviced apartments owned by individuals. In Goa, people have invested in flats or houses and converted them into service apartments with 1 or 2 flats. And these individuals who let out their houses as serviced apartments manage it themselves, or they tie up with brokers for operating individual-owned apartments as fully serviced residences on a profit-sharing basis. The quality of service also decides, and hence it is important that the facility is managed by a reputed service provider. Urba Luxury Service Apartments at Podavaram, Goa, is a property that is designed and built as serviced apartment catering towards tech-savvy business travelers. Their advantage is proximity to business centers and good connectivity that makes the clients prefer Urba Luxury in Goa. At Urba Luxury, we have 10 fully furnished 1 BHK apartments with large balconies and managed by professionals. Arrangement for car parking. Ground floor ideal kitchenette cum restaurant facility. Safe, secure and serene environment. All units are ideal for leisure and work as a corporate guest house. The only property, centrally located in the North Goa, 3 kilometers from the capital city Panaji. We are seeking corporate clients for a long-term relationship and would offer Urba Luxury Service Apartments as their exclusive holiday home in Goa. Contact us for more details. Email urbaluxury@gmail.com